Hey there! Welcome to Easy Tutorials AI today. I'm going to show you exactly how to create a talking, walking AI avatar, just like me, in just a few minutes. Guess what? No technical skills, no coding, no expensive gear needed. So, whether you're launching a YouTube channel, making content for your brand, or just want a digital twin to do the talking for you, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in.
Today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your own AI avatar for free. This will be perfect if you start your own YouTube channel, your faceless YouTube channel. You don't want to show your face. Instead, you can use your own AI avatar, which is going to present you. First, before we dive in to create our avatar, I want to explain. Some of you have been asking what is AI avatar. Before we dive in, let's quickly cover what is an AI avatar actually is. AI avatar is a digital version of a person that can talk, can move, even express their emotion. They are generated using AI tools such as Leonardo AI. You can use it for your YouTube channel. If you want to start your YouTube channel, faceless YouTube channel, you don't want to show your face. Now we go technology. You can use AI avatar, and you can come in your channel and represent you. You can choose the platform where we're going to use. In this tutorial, I'm going to use Hello AI. We're going to use this one, Hello AI, which this is free. Is free. You can go Google, come here Google, and type Hello AI, and you get to this page. Once you get to this page, click here. You'll go in. Once you are here, there will be a pop here for you to sign up if you don't have account with them, because I already have account with them. That's why you can see here I went straight into my dashboard. But if you haven't got account with them, you need to sign up with them. You need to use your Google your Gmail account. That is straightforward. Use your Gmail account, and they'll give you free credit. When you are new, they give you free credit. Okay, so once you here, this is going to be your dashboard. I'm going to show you the easiest way how to do this, because it's a different way. But today I'm going to show the easiest way, which we're going to use. Create a video. Come here and click here, create a video. Once you here, there's a two-way here. You can do image to video or text to video. So we are going to use text to video. This is very quick and easy. So for us to get this prompt, we need to go back to DeepSeek. Here, this is DeepSeek. If you are new, you don't know DeepSeek. DeepSeek is exactly the same like ChatGPT. So go to Google here. Come to Google. Type DeepSeek. You'll come here. Once you here, click the first one here, and when you get in this page, click English. Change this one into English and click Start. Once you click Start, they'll ask you to sign up with them. Sign up with them with your Gmail account like normal. It's simple, straightforward. Once you are here, this is going to be your dashboard for DeepSeek. So you come here in DeepSeek and ask DeepSeek, what do you want? Which kind of avatar do you want? You can give your avatar. You can give your avatar gender if you want a male or female. You can give your avatar ethnic if you want a black, white, Asian. You can choose the outfit they want to wear. You can choose the color of their hair. Anything you want is up to you. Okay, so whatever you want, you come and ask DeepSeek here, and you give all the information. You give him all the information you want about your avatar, and he'll generate a prompt for you. So I already have here a simple prompt here for me. Let's copy this and give to DeepSeek. So here, DeepSeek, I'm going to type here. I want this lady to be sat on the bed while she can stand and talk, and after she can sit in the bed while she's talking. Okay, and so once you click here, he's going to generate the prompt exactly what we need. I already have a prompt here, so this is a prompt he give to us here. Let me copy this prompt. I'm going to leave all this prompt down below, description below, for this video. All the prompt I use for this video, they're going to be down below. Yeah, so once you already copy your prompt from DeepSeek, come back to Hello AI, and like I said, we want text to image, so click paste this prompt which DeepSeek give to us. Once you paste this prompt, come here and click generate. That means they are Hello AI, they're going to take 30 credit from your free credit they give it to you. Okay, so once you click, it's going to generate. I'm not going to do that because I already done in the video here. I already created. So this is the video. Let me show you how it look like. So okay, she's walking and she's sitting on the bed. Now once you finish, your video is already done. It's going to take a few minutes. Once it's done, you can come here. See this one here, you can download. Click this one, your video is going to download in your computer. I'm going to show you. So it's going to download. Once your video is already download, now we are going to another AI, which we're going to add our audio. What we want this lady to talk, so we're going to add our audio, or you can add your script for what you want exact this lady to say. So we coming here to another AI, which is Dreamface. I'm going to leave the link below for this. All this AI I'm going to leave all the link below in the description below. So you come here to Dreamface. Once you are here, it's free as well. Click here, try freely. Once you click here, it's going to take you in. Let me show you. Once you click here, it's going to take you in here. This is going to be your page, but because I already have account with them, you need to sign up with them. Like you need to sign up. You might use your Gmail account to sign up with them. It's straightforward really. And once you come here, this is going to be your dashboard. But we want, because we already have a video, we already create a video from Hello AI. Remember this video, we already create this video, we already upload this video in our computer. Now we go into Dreamface, and the reason is we are here, we want to lip sync our audio. We want to lip sync, we want to match the video with the lady what she's saying. That's the point we come into this AI. Okay, so once you here, click here avatar video, click this one here, and once you are here, upload your video, which is already in your computer. So click here, you go in your computer, you upload the video you want, the video we already created from Hello AI. Your video is going to pop here. Okay, it's already there. So once it's already there, you click this video, you bring your video here. Now when you get here, now there's a three thing you can do here. The first one, you can use text or you can use your script. So if you go your script, the script you want this lady to talk, you're going to paste here. And then once you paste your script here, you're going to choose who is going to read your script. So these are the voices, they are going to read your script. Okay, now on this tutorial, I already create my audio. So I'm, instead of using text, I'm going to click audio. Okay, so I'm going to upload the audio which I already create. Now you can use audio, you can go to, there's another AI, they can create audio for you, or you can record yourself, or you can come here as well and record yourself. So in this section, you can do three things. You can use, first you can use you can put your script here, and you can choose who's going to read your script. Okay, and second, you can use your audio, the one you already record yourself, you can upload here, or you can record yourself direct here. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you can upload your audio, because I already create my audio. So I'm going to upload the audio here. Let's upload the audio. So this is the audio. Okay, so this is my audio. I want this lady to talk. Now once you've done that, you click generate. When you click generate, it's going to take a few minutes and your video is going to be generated. right? So I'm not going to do that at the moment because I already created the video. Let me show you the end result. So here, this is the video here. Now let me play.
Welcome to Easy Tutorials AI Today. I'm going to show you exactly how to create a talking, walking AI avatar, just like me, in just a few minutes. And guess what? No technical skills, no coding, no expensive gear needed. So, whether you're launching a YouTube channel, making content for your brand, or just want a digital twin to do the talking for you, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in.
Okay, so that's the video, and this is it. And once you've done this, you come here, download. So you click this download. This video is going to be in your computer, and this is how you can create a talking, walking AI avatar for your YouTube channel, for your business, for whatever way you want to use this avatar. This is how you can create. Okay, and this is the quickest way we use text to video. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can create the same avatar who walk and move, but this time you're going to use image to video. It's going to be image to video. I'm going to show you like this one. It's going to be image to video. This one here. See this video here. This one is image to video. I'm going to show you how to create this. That is going to be my next video. So thank you very much for being here. And if you new my channel, my name is Mivumbi. Please subscribe. I do appreciate all your love and support. And next video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use image. We're going to take image to video. I'm going to show you. So thank you. See you next video. Bye.